I am Dr. Priyanka Sharma. I am working as Professor and Head Department of IT and Telecommunication, Raksha Shakti University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The module is cryptography and steganography. Table of contents are introduction, cryptography and steganography, basic terms, encryption techniques, cryptography system, steganography, differences between crypto and steganography, summary and conclusion. The learning objectives of this module are to understand the need of encryption, decryption, to learn about cryptography process and steganography, to know basic terms related to these both, encryption techniques, cryptography systems, steganography, and the differences between cryptography and steganography. Steganography and cryptography are the techniques which are widely used and which allows the user to encrypt the data or information so that data hiding or information hiding is possible. Cryptography is a science of writing which converts plain text into ciphertext. On the other hand, steganography is the art of writing the message in hidden format so that the person who is sending it and the person who is receiving it can only understand the given message. In that way, both of these are providing a kind of security in such a way that others think that the message is not at all important. In the process of cryptography, it will encrypt the entire message so that it cannot be understood by the other people. While in steganography, it hides the whole message so that it cannot be seen to others. Example, Mr. X and Mr. Y want to do their communication securely. Mr. Z, who is working as intruder, may hack the message and try to change the communication message. Steganography hides one piece of the data within another. We all know that the hidden messages are always hard to read and interpret when they are given with another common message. Since everyone can read and code the text in neutral sentences is doubtfully effective. By taking the first letter in each word, the following messages emerges like secret inside. The cipher message created by cryptography methods can cause doubt on the receiver side, but this is not possible in steganography method as it creates an invisible message. Generally, people use steganography when it is not possible to use cryptography much. When one user wants to send an important message to another user, and if cryptography and strong encryption process is possible, steganography may be avoided or may be less used. The major differences between the both is a way that which they are used. We cannot use steganography when it is possible that an unauthorized user can access the content of the ciphertext, while on the other hand we cannot use cryptography where there is a possibility that an unauthorized user can detect that there may be a secret message available in given message. History of these both suggests cryptography has completed many phases of the development. Far in 19 BC, cryptography can be found in Old Egypt, copyists utilizing the non-standard symbols in for designing. From 500 to 600 BC, Hebrew copyists utilized at Besh a turned around pattern in order to straightforward arrangement. From 50 to 60 BC, Julius Caesar utilized a basic substitution with the ordinary letter in the government interchanges. Cryptography proceeded through the history with the numerous variety. Today it has achieved another level, quantum cryptography, which is the material science, and through long history, it has come through long history of cryptography. Steganography, the uses of steganography has been recorded in the back of 440 BC. Terms related to these modules are cipher, it is the algorithm that does the encryption. Ciphertext, it is known as encoded or jumbled version of the given message. This message has been changed such that it cannot be readable by any person who will try to read it, that the message will be only read by the person who is having proper rights to read it. Cryptanalysis, this method is useful to break the cryptography algorithm applied. cryptanalyst is the person who breaks the cryptographic codes from the message and is known as cryptanalyst. The person who attacks is known as attacker. Crypto system, in this the algorithm keys management functions are used, which are used to perform various cryptography related operations. Decryption is the process where ciphertext will be converted back to the original text to read the message. Encryption, in this process the message or data will be scrambled by using the various algorithms available in all the cryptographic algorithms. Key, it is the code which is useful to control the operation and the behavior used during the application of the cryptographic algorithm. Plain text, it is a message or data which is available in its pure natural form, which is to be read by the attacker. Steganography can be defined as a detection of steganography by the third party. Substitution cipher, it involves replacing an alphabet within another character of same alphabet set. A digital signature is a group of data or information which is created by sender or a message by using a secret key. Cryptography includes various methods of sending messages in hidden form from that the authorized recipients only can find the hidden disguise and read the messages. It is the art of modifying data or messages in such a way that the data can only be accessed by the authorized person who has the key to access. The key can be a code or a cipher. In the code, each character or group of characters replaced by an alternative one. In cipher, the messages are converted as a whole. Whereas cryptanalysis is the art of science, or it is the process of cracking down or breaking the scheme applicable while encryption process. It involves the process of discovering the key which is needed for encryption. These systems are categorized into categories like operation type on plain text, where two types of operations can be used to change plain text into ciphertext. In the first one, a bit or group of bits of each letter or group of letters which are replaced within one another are used for generating ciphertext. There is one-to-one mapping of the letters to create ciphertext, whereas in the second operation, all the plain characters remain same, but their positions are transposed with one another based on the key generated. The number of the keys used depends on the sender and receiver to encrypt and decrypt a given message. For given message, it is well known that a symmetric or single key encryption process. On the other hand, if the receiver and the sender have used different keys, which are known as public key and private key, to encrypt and decrypt the whole messages, at that it is known as asymmetric or two-key description for public key and private key. Encryption through symmetric key. In the process of symmetric key encryption, the same keys are used for the process of encryption and decryption, the information of the data. The study which is useful in understanding the symmetric cryptography term is known as symmetric cryptography. This process is also referred as secret key crypto system. Some of the well-known examples of this process are symmetric key encryption methods are digital encryption standard, DDES, IDEA. Bluefish symmetric key encryption was widely used before 1970. Even today the relevance is high and it is being applied widely, frequently, in numerous or in many crypto systems. The main feature of this system is based on the symmetric key encryption. The persons who use the symmetric key encryption has to share a common key before the person starts exchanging the message or data or information. It is preferable that the keys which are used required to be changed regularly will be helpful to stop attack on a system. And a secure mechanism can be implemented so that the keys are being exchanged between the two parties or two source and destination, and here both are required to send the updated keys regularly, but which becomes time consuming, it is expensive, but provides more security. Processing power of computer system required to run asymmetric algorithm is less. Encryption through asymmetric key, here the keys are used which are distinctive, which are utilized for encoding and decoding the data. And the most important thing we have to note is here that the keys are different, but they are scientifically related to each other. And that's why recovery of the original text or data by decoding process will become possible. Here each and every user of the system must have a pair of non-similar keys, that is private and public keys. Both of these keys are related with each other using some mathematical functions, where the first key is used for encryption process while the other key is used for decryption process. It requires to put the public key in public repository and the private key as well as the guarded secret. Hence, this scheme of encryption is also known as public key encryption. Even though private and public keys are of the user is related to each other, it is not possible for the hacker to find one from the other. This is the best part of the scheme. When first person requires to send the information to the second person, first person uses the public key from second person repository, encrypts the information and sends to second. Challenge of public crypto system, open key crypto system have one important test. The client needs to trust that general society key that he is utilizing as a part of correspondence as with a person truly is people in general key of that individual. This is normally through a public key infrastructure PKI comprising a trusted outsider. The outsider safely oversees and validates the genuineness of the open keys. At the point when the outsider is asked for to give people in general key to any imparting individual X, they are trusted to give the right open key. The outsider fulfills itself about the client character by the procedure of validation, authorization, or some different procedure that X is unparalleled or all around special X. The mostly widely recognized technique for making the checked open keys accessible is to install them in a testament which is carefully marked by the trusted outsider. Modern symmetric key encryption digital data is represented in strings of binary digits bits. Modern cryptography system need to process these binary strings to convert into another binary string. A symmetric encryption schemes is classified into the following, like blocking of ciphers. In this scheme, contents of the plain text double contents will be prepared in various places of the bits in a single shot. In this square of normal plain information in format of bits has been chosen. A procession of operations will be performed on all that pieces of data which will be in turn creates the piece of ciphertext bits. The quantity of the bits in a single place has been settled. For the time being, it plans AES and DES to have pieces 1 to 8 and 64 bits separately. Stream ciphers, in this scheme the original data or plain text has been handled in a single piece at once. That is, one piece of the original text or plain text is taken into consideration and a progression of operation has been performed on it to create one place to the ciphertext. In reality, all the stream figures are the square figures with a place size of one place every time. Public key cryptography system was appropriate for associations, for example, governments, military and huge monetary companies which included in the grouped correspondence. With the approach of more unsecure PC arrangement in most recent times, a certified need was felt to utilize cryptography at bigger scale. The symmetric key was observed to be non-functional sometimes because of the difficulties it conformated for the key administrator. This offered assent to people in the general key crypto systems. The most important properties of the public key encryption schemes are, like here for encryption and decryption, different keys are used. This is a property which sets this scheme different than the symmetric encryption scheme. Each receiver possesses a unique description key, generally referred to as the private key. Receiver needs to publish an encryption key referred to as public key. Some assurance of the authenticity of a public key is needed in this scheme to avoid spoofing by adversary as the receiver. Generally, this type of crypto system involves third-party trusted certificate, which gives the certificate that given public key belongs to a specific person only. Encryption algorithm is a complex enough to stop the attacker from assuming the plain text which is available in the form of ciphertext and the available encryption key, that is public key. Even though both keys, that is public and private keys, are related to each other, mathematically possible not to calculate the private key from the public key or vice versa. In reality, most important part of the public key algorithm system is the creation of relationship between two keys. Famous algorithm for public key encryptions are like RSA, curve cryptography, ECC, etc. Steganography term originated from the Greek stegnos, which means secured or mystery, and graphy implies composing of drawing. Along these lines, steganography implies truly secured composing, where the primary objective of this is to transfer the information safely and in a total unnoticeable way, and to curb from attracting doubt to the transmission of concealed information. Within the procedure, qualities of these strategies are to be changed in the structure and elements so that not to be identified by a human eye. Computer pictures, recording, sound documents, and other PC records that contain immaterial or repetitive data can be utilized as spreads or transporters to conceal mystery message. Subsequent to implanting mystery message into the conveying picture or cover picture and the fundamental model of the steganography comprises of carrier message and stregostretch. It includes limit, security, and strength, where these are distinct and influencing. Summary and conclusion: cryptography and steganography is something like hiding a mystery message inside a bigger one, such that others cannot perceive the nearness or the substance of the concealed message. And cryptography is the procedure of expertise of conveying into or separating mystery, composing or figures. It can be utilized to shroud concealed messages in picture, sound, or even content document. Presently, it is increasing new prominence with the momentum business request for computerized watermarking and fingerprinting of sound and video. Steganography thus should not be confused with cryptography when both the methods, such as crypto and stegno, are combined using cryptography, and after that hiding the encrypted message using the method can be called as steganography. After this process is over, the next step is to stegno picture, which can be transferred without any uncovering the mystery data which is being transformed. Digital data, images, audio, files, etc. can be processed via these two techniques, steganography and cryptography. Thank you.